Hello children, Priya Miss is here. Today I am telling you to play a game. This game we had to play in the school playground. But now you all will play it with your siblings or parents. Siblings means your brother or sister. If you are not well, then don't play this game. The name of the game is Bucket Buddies. Through this game, you will understand capacity of various containers. Capacity means the maximum amount that something can contain or hold. हिंदी में इसे क्षमता कहते हैं. Look at these containers. Containers means an object for holding something. We can say vessels or holder. Container मतलब पात्र. You need some material to play this game. 2 buckets per teams. 2 different sizes of mugs, bottle caps, glasses, bottles, tablespoons and water in a bucket. Make 2 teams. Now listen carefully. You have to transfer water from one bucket to another bucket kept at some distance. Important thing is to keep track of time. Your goal is to transfer maximum amount of water in minimum time. You can use any container as per your choice mentioned above for transferring water. All group members must participate to transfer the water. The team who will be able to transfer maximum amount of water in the another bucket in the least time, that team will be the winner. Means whoever will fill the bucket in the least time is the winner. Your team can use different strategies or ideas to fill bucket in minimum time. 2 teams will play at the same time. The member who is not playing can help in keeping the record for the number of rounds, time to start and time to finish by writing on the page. Then at the last, check the number of rounds and time of all the teams. The team has filled the bucket in the least time is the winner. Do not waste water while playing. Children, keep in mind the biggest container takes the least amount of time to fill the bucket and the smallest container takes more time to fill the bucket. Children, I do not want to force you to play this game, but still if you want to play, then play it and complete the questions answers given on the page number 73 and 74. Do not play with water if you are not well. You can enjoy this game afterward. Now let's see how some children are playing the Bucket Buddies game.
Cups or bowls, yeah, and then you do a competition with them and get them to put the water into the bucket, and not who does it the fastest, but whoever can get the most water, and that'll teach them to walk carefully.
Now look at this page number 74. You have to draw any 2 containers of your choice, one small and one big. For example, you can draw here a bucket, a jug or a pot. Let's see the next page number 75. Here we can see the pairs of containers. Look at this first pair of a cup and a spoon. From these, which will take more time to fill a big tanker? Think it. As I told you, the bigger container takes the least amount of time and the smaller container takes more time. So here the cup is bigger and the spoon is smaller. So the question is, tick right the container which will take more time to fill a big container. Here the spoon is small, so it will take more time to fill a big tanker. So we need to write tick to the spoon. In this way, complete these other pairs. Now look at this page number 76. Let's read. Take two containers of different sizes. Fill water in the bigger container using the small container. Write the number of times you used the smaller container to fill the bigger container. Here I have written an example for you. Name of the containers are bucket and jug. You know that bucket is a big container as compared to the jug. So I used a jug to fill the bucket. I used a jug 10 times to fill the bucket. Now you do it with different containers and write your answer here. Children, we all store water in our house in different containers because we need it every day. We store water in them for various purposes. We need water for bathing, cooking, drinking, etc. We store water in water tank, barrels, buckets, tub, pots, underground tanks, water filters, etc. Also, we store water in different places in our house like kitchen, bathroom, terrace, dining room, etc. Let's see some more containers. Water tank, water cooler, pitcher, water tanker. Pitcher means a large jug. Water tanker supplies water where there is a shortage of water. Now let's see sources of water. We get water mainly from rain. The rainwater collects in rivers, ponds and wells. Water is also found underground. We get underground water by digging wells. We make wells to use this water. We take out this water by using a hand pumps and tube well. So children, rain, ocean, wells, rivers, lakes, ponds, these are the sources of water. Now see this page number 77. Here you have to find out words related to water from the crosswords and fill in the given table. Here we have 3 columns. First, sources of water. Second, containers to store water. Third one is items related to usages of water. You need to find a word from the table. For example, I found here ocean word. So, I wrote it in the sources of water column because it is a source of water. Now see the next word which I found is water tank. Children, water tank is a container which we use to store water. So I wrote it in the column of containers to store water. Next word which I found is a glass. Glass is also a container, but we do not use it to store water. There are many containers which are small like cup, spoon, etc., which we do not use to store water. We use these containers to use water. For example, we use a glass to drink water. We use these containers to use water. For example, we use a glass to drink water. Here, the third column is items related to usages of water. Means पानी के उपयोग से संबंधित वस्तुएं. हम ग्लास का इस्तेमाल पानी के उपयोग के लिए करते हैं. The things which are related to usage of water, write it in this third column. In this table, some are sources of water and some are neither sources nor containers. They are just the medium to transfer water. For example, glass, jug, pitcher. In these three columns, you have to write the words which are you have found in the above table. So children, complete all the pages which are explained in this video within 3 to 4 days. Thank you. Take care.